You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step guide on how to increase transfer limit on Access Bank app. So watch the video to the very end because you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because that's how you help me out. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to use the Access More app. So open your Access More on your mobile, then log into your account using your account credentials. Then after that, go to the settings or profile, then select transaction limit or increase limit, depend on your app version. Then after that, follow the instruction and enter the new transfer limit you want. Then the next thing is to upgrade your account. So if your account type has a low transfer limit, you may need to upgrade. So visit an Access Bank branch with your ID, utility bills, and your BVN, then request an account upgrade for higher transfer limit. Then also you can also contact the customer support, which is the number is displayed on the screen, for upgrading. And that's how you can simply upgrade or increase your transfer limit on Access Bank app. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.